Miley digging a giant hole at the beach. Flinging sand everywhere. No, go that way. She's like bipolar at the beach. Some days she's really hyper, and some days she just sits and lays and does nothing at the beach. But she's digging a giant hole, see? She's having a good time. Miley, can you say hi? Miley, come on. Like, nope, I'm busy playing. It's a nice windy day here. My hair is blowing everywhere. Yesterday you should have seen me. I had like literally a beach on my head. There was so much sand flying around because it was so windy. So, good times. I love being able to come to the beach and just relaxing and enjoying my time until I have to go to work. So I thought I'd make a little video for you. And she's still digging. Miley, can you say hi to Grandma Debbie? Miley! Miley! Hey! Hey! Mama! Stop being shy. Can you say hi? Miley! Hey! She's not going to say hi. She's going to keep digging. And she found herself. So, that's what she's doing. Miley! What's that? What's that? She has no interest in me right now. She is playing with the shell. There's the beach. There's probably somewhere about now too. I'm not sure. I'll show you the water. You can see hopefully I'm getting something. It's kind of not busy today. Okay, I'll let you go.